That's almost an exact representation of how I looked just a few weeks ago. Then I found a cool way to create AI-generated music, and everything changed. I could almost smell the sheer amount of money that had to buzz in. The story begins with me being super bored while work from home. My boss made pressure because of the project's timeline.
Rocko, if you can't show up to the office or hit a single release milestone, why are you even on the team? I would fire you yesterday, Rocko. But sadly, hiring a decent software engineer these days is like finding clean code in your commits. Damn near impossible.
Did someone ever mention how useless these middle managers are? So what better to do than get sucked by the YouTube rabbit hole once more? I heard about this cool AI music generation models. Thanks to my uber intellect, I knew exactly what to do. I needed to build an AI music channel and get rich quick. So here are the steps. Step 1. Go to Riffusion or Suno. In my opinion, Riffusion takes the lead, at least for now. Here's the trick. If you just leave these AI music engines with a generic prompt, the outcome is equal generic. So give the prompt some love. I simply copy human written stuff, like comments from videos with cool engagement, or even better from music, so the AI don't have to write the lyrics on its own. Large language models like GPT or Gemini are great with unstructured text, so just pass this shit into it. By the way, here's my prompt. Not so much magic there, but the output is a banger. Step 2. Go use ChatGPT image generator to create dope images of dancing teams. Yeah. First the buh, then the yoo-hoo. Sex still grabs attention, I guess. Step 3. Mix it all up in your favorite video editor and bam, you should be rich in no time, or at least have
21 subs.